When we went and toured the cave, they were like, you can't even touch anything for an instant with one finger or you'll destroy the cave. So I was like, well, then I can fly my drone around here, right? And they were like, yeah, let's do it. So I got my drone out. Whew. Going to this under the underpass and then around that big stalactite or the column. Now which way is up? Oh, it's fun to see the shadow of the drone on the rocks. I can feel my heart racing, but it's pretty good.
I mean, you're trying not to hit anything.
Yeah, but I'm
trying to see what the hell you're doing.
I can't really tell where the ground is, and then if I like look down, I'm gonna go fast. But I'm not aware of what is in front of me as much because it's really dark, so it's actually really difficult to know what's going on.
Yeah, I was trying to figure out a way to give you light without blinding you.
Yeah, it was working really well towards the end there, yeah. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, there we go. POV's in the cave. I'll do a big jump rope. Oh my gosh. No way. That was pretty cool.
Been here for 5 years and ain't seen nothing like that.
Yeah. Alright, we're at the waterfall now. From a cave to a waterfall. My goggle batteries are low. I'm risking losing the cave flight by using this drone. But at least I got signal. It's not a very big body, that's for sure. Low battery. Bring her back.
Open the door. Make it back to the hiding
How far
seat.
does it go?
This one doesn't go super far.
Dad, do you want me to follow it?
When they're really small, you know,
Dad,
you
do
gotta.
you want me to follow it in case it falls?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
What if you actually see you move the goggles?
I'm like in the drone basically. Yeah,
I knew I wanted to.
yeah, it's so much fun.
The simulator makes it really good. We're going back to our cabin.
Tiny little. That hole is small, man.
Now what, you made that?
Yep.
He made the top of the camera.
What do you gotta have to fly it?
So the controller and goggles, and then batteries are the extra steps. Yeah, and you can put different amounts into it. You know, you could have cheaper goggles, or you could do not digital, and it gets. So if you were to do exactly what I'm flying right now, you're probably like $800 maybe. There you go. It's a very nice view. Oh my gosh, looking back the other way is awesome.
Looking down.
No, like back behind us.
Oh yeah.
How far are you down, Dad?
I'm just like straight up and out. I'm coming diving towards the train right now. Oh my gosh, just as my battery dies. I don't have much battery left. Or signal. Oh shoot. Dang, I missed it leaving. First digital experience for you, right?
Oh my god, it's so powerful.
Eric was like,
Like, I never get to see him flying around.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go back.
Like, it's weird to see a drone flying around. I'm usually in the cockpit. What do you think goats will do?
With you what?
Goats do not care.
Okay.
They got a little scared. Oh, the one goat kicked the other one. Get out of there.
Make it go!
That was a tight power loop.
Imagine somebody could take walk like you and you did this.
360. Oh, that was so clean.
Stay on there.
That was so clean.
Dad, look at my
You got some sweet rocks? At least I hit it a little. It's harder than I thought it was going to be.
I want to see if
Oh, that was hard. Oh, that one hurt. No, no. I'm just saying.
Look at this. Look at all these people.
Oh, in the gutter.
This is geode. I see this geode.
Look as close as I can
That's
get.
too big.
This is what good drone posture looks like.